Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve a very interesting exponential problem in which we have to find the sum of all values of x that satisfy the given equation. So we have 2 raised to power x minus 1 times x squared plus 5x minus 50 equals to 1, and this 1 can be written as 2 raised to power 0. So since bases are same, their power will also be equal. Therefore, we get x minus 1 times x squared plus 5x minus 50 equals to 0. And from here, we get two equations, x minus 1 equals to 0 and x squared plus 5x minus 50 equals to 0. So from the first case, we get the value of x, that is 1, and from the second equation we have x squared plus 5x minus 50 equals to 0. So this can be written as x squared plus 10x minus 5x minus 50 equals to 0. Take x common from the first two terms, we get x bracket x plus 10 minus take 5 common, so we get x plus 10 equals to 0. So we get x minus 5 times x plus 10 equals to 0, and from here we get x minus 5 equals to 0 and x plus 10 equals to 0. So from the first case we get x equals to 5, and from the second we get x equals to minus 10. And now we have to find the sum of all values of x, that is 1 plus 5 minus 10, so we get minus 4. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.